So what exactly is the Snapchat Quick Add feature? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will explain to you what the Quick Add section means on Snapchat app. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then be sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, what you want to do is just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app store in the search box, typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how it's going to look like. Now, if I tap on my Bitmoji profile, which is at the top left corner of the screen, and once I come to my profile page over here, if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see my friends. But if I tap on add friends, you'll be able to see a list of friends who have added you, as well as the quick add feature over here. And what exactly is Quick Add? Now, Quick Add is simply a list of recommendations of Snapchat friends whom you can actually try to add them right away without having to search them for their username. And this is based on what kind of mutual connections you have or whether or not they are stored in your contacts. It could be multiple reasons. Snapchat is simply not going to let you know from how they found out these profiles. It could be that they're added to your mutual friends and someone who's friends with them is also friends with this person. Or it could mean that they are simply in the contact list. They have used that number. That is why it is showing up on your recommendations tab. Either way, this is actually a really good feature, because if you don't want someone to know that you've added them by username, and if someone's profile shows up over here, you can just go ahead and then tap on the add button to any of these people over here in order to go ahead and then add them as friends. And this is simply how you can go ahead and use the Snapchat feature, as I explained to you also what the Snapchat Quick Add really means. We hope the video at least gave you some insights. We also hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.